Today is June 12, 2024. I'm reviewing SPY. Let's look at it. What happened to SPY today. Today, we got a huge gap and go the whole morning until, the Federal Reserve make an announcement, step in. Then we have a huge volatility as expected for the rest of the trading day. So for today, most bulls were in control 70%, 80% of the time, you know, but bears, took over almost at their last 2 hours trading. So what happened to the bears? For the bulls, we already know, if you had your position open overnight, you make great profit. Most people should already taken the profit around here, right? This at this level. This one's a tough one. But anyway, look at the bears. After the Fed Powell make announcement, look at SPY 1 minute. The left hand side is S&P 500 equal weight, and then the right hand side is SPY, regular one. So around 3:30, SPY had a new high. All right, you see it? Got a new high, but however, the S&P equal weight is not. It didn't reach any new high at all. That's a divergence. If you want to short, this is definitely a good time to open up your short positions. I would say it's a great risk reward ratio. Then the rest is easy. It's pretty simple. But gap and go, this is a tough one. If those who shorted at the market open, you should be okay. You should be able to make some profit. Okay. And let's look at what happened tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, let's look at it. Now we got a candlestick bar close above upper band Bollinger band. Look at it. Does it look familiar to you? Every time we have something above upper band Bollinger band, that means it's running into exhaustion. Most likely either inside bar or pull back, fill the gap. Since we have a huge gap here, a big gap. Look at this gap. It's a 4 points gap. That's quite large. So either sideways or pull back to fill the gap tomorrow or next 2 days. Even have a new high, should be limited. Even we get a new high tomorrow, it should be short-lived. Okay. We still have a large gap to fill here. So pay attention to it. Always buy low, sell high. Even you want to go long, maybe you should hold it. And look at this candlestick bar here. It doesn't look too good to me. Okay, for the Bollinger band, right? It's already close above upper band Bollinger band. That's another pullback signal. Of course, it could stay above upper band Bollinger band for a couple more days, right? It happened before. Let me see. It happened before like this, right? But this one, or this one right here, this one is pretty close, right? Look at this one, and have a pullback next day. Let's see, we'll have a pullback next day. Also, don't forget, we there's a divergence. It's getting obvious. As I said, I think last week, it's building the divergence, but it's not completely yet. It's getting close, in my opinion, right? Price actions higher high, MACD low, lower high. Now I guess wait for the RSI to form lower high. I think it will be completed. The divergence will be completed. So watch out, there's another signal for pullback, deeper. Okay, let's look at the Dow Jones. Yeah, Dow Jones is pretty weak, okay? Dow Jones got no new high. We got double top and that's it. Looks like Dow Jones has forming a round shape here. That means this is could be a top here. Watch out. As long as Dow Jones doesn't break above this level, that means this is top. It could roll down. Okay. And Dow Jones is interesting to point out. Dow Jones had the gap fill today. Look at Dow Jones, got a gap fill, but not SPY. So will the SPY follow? Oh, we will find out tomorrow. You know, let's hope tomorrow it will test 5-day moving average first. Okay. So again, for the 10 days moving average hasn't been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days already. You know, it might pull back. And also look at SPY 30-minute chart here. There's another pullback signal. Look at it. The RSI in oversold area. So I guess it has got to have a retracement to correct the oversold status. So overall, I'm not extremely bearish, but I'm cautious. At this level, I wouldn't go long until it's a great deal. So always buy low, sell high, right? So I have to look for a great deal first. Okay. And also, yeah, look at 5-minute chart here. So be patient. You know, look for the gap. We still have a 2-point gap to be filled. And look at the VIX. VIX also same thing. VIX is pretty obvious. VIX now is close up below 10, 25-day moving averages. That means, you know, 20 should cross below 10. It's gonna form a divergence. You see divergence? Looks like it's forming divergence here. You know, lower low could be a higher high, could be lower high here. So tomorrow could be deeper and bounce. So divergence is getting there for the VIX. Okay. So for tomorrow, we got, you know, for up there resistance, don't know, but I calculated before, right? My final target is 556, 556 or 560, 556 for the upside. That's my target. I calculated before. Let's do it again here. I said for this range, for 2 years range, it formed a cup handle. Now had a breakout. This upper trend is keep on going. Still bullish. For here, we have about 100 points from here to here, right? 100 points. So 450 plus 100, another 100 point is the same exact mirror image. 100 point there. That means it should be 550 or 560. Okay, that's my final target for this uptrend. So let's see, it will happen. Okay, good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.